to cushion them from suffering through timely payment of statutory deductions to the National Hospital Insurance Fund and provision of enough personal protective equipment.
His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, please move to the nearest barracks in Nairobi. Get the first general that you can get and send him to Homa Bay to sign a transfer of deed so that we can have a Homa Bay Metropolitan Services that can competently manage the affairs of health in this county. I want to state it very categorically here and let everyone who cares listen. These workers cannot be intimidated. Never. They cannot be cajoled. They cannot be pushed over. You will not steamroll them. We are here firmly fighting for our rights. The best thing that the county government could do is to pay us our salaries and all that is due to us. It is unfortunate that all these workers you see here do not even have NHIF cover.
The situation in Homa Bay is one thing. The ICUs that people are talking about, the PPEs that they're talking about, us as people on the ground, are not seeing those things. So we want to say that even if we will finish this salary parade and go back to work because of payment of salaries, we must still have a talk